This tutorial is how to update your Chromebook before testing. Step 1. When you're connected to the internet, your Chromebook automatically checks for and downloads updates. To check for updates yourself, at the bottom right, select the time. Step 2. Select Settings or the gear symbol. Step 3. On the left, select About Chrome OS. Step 4. Under Google Chrome OS, you'll see which version of the Chrome operating system your Chromebook is using. Select Check for Updates. Step 5. If an update is available, it will start to download automatically. Step 6. After your download is done, select Restart to finish the update.